Today I'm gonna talk about this operative bash, basically like setting your Laravel application to like EC2 instance easily. We're gonna use this operative bash and try to select the Laravel application. Okay, let's go to the AWS, go to the instance and click the launch instance. It will ask us to figure this one. Let's figure it out. Operative. Our script is only available for Ubuntu for now, so let's choose the Ubuntu D2 Micro. Yeah, I will choose the free DL one. What's in it? This is the SSH login key. If you don't have one, you can create, download, and save it first. For me, I will continue using my existing one. For the security, I will use the existing security publish facing website. You can create your own as well if you need to. You just allow SSH traffic and allow HTTP, allow HTTPS, and you can create as well. For me, I will select the existing. Okay, let's launch. I think this will take a few minutes. Let's try to connect. Stay pending. What this operative bash does is like automatically set up all your PHP related things needed in your server. It will also install MySQL for you, and it will also create a new user called Operative, so you don't need to use your root user. Yeah, you can read about the guides here, but I will show you how to do. Let's connect. After connect, let's go and connect. My personal.pem is inside here, so I'm okay to run this. Yes. Okay, we are inside the server. Let's go wget chmod black is operatives, make it executable. Before we do that, right, we have to pass our public key. The reason is, right, so when the script is adding the new user, it will allow you to automatically add your local SSH public key. Initially, I was not asking about this public key from here, but later on I realized, right, what happens if you get loss of internet or something like that. So that's why I just asked continue. I just asked to fill out this public SSH key here. Okay, let's go run this operator bash like this one, like the README described. Okay, I think there will be some question regarding the OS update, so we just need to click enter for those. Let's wait a while. I think in the next video I will show you how to set up the Node.js. For this video, I will focus on the Laravel setup. we're gonna run this application. I will skip this installation video as I'm still not very good with the video editing. You can skip it out a bit if you want. Yeah, those kind of like pending kind of upgrade. You just click enter for now. After you finish installation, you can run like reboot, then it will automatically reboot and update the kernel. For now, we will continue clicking the enter. Enter, enter. Let's wait a while. It's basically installing everything necessary for our Laravel application to run. And it is also added the swap. So you can read about the best script here. Or everything that we are installing, you can see inside here. Okay, let's enter. You can skip this installation part if you don't want. Okay, enter. Click enter. Enter. Okay, now everything is set up. So it create this operator user and also create that like MySQL as well. You can see the password inside here. So let's try out the MySQL. I will try and copy this one so you can log in to it. The password is auto-generated. You can change later if you want. Yeah. Just now I haven't copied the IP address. So let's go to our EC2. Where is our public? Yeah, our public IP. Yeah. So from our locale, I will try to SSH using new user operator. It won't ask the password because we already provided the public key. So yeah. So that's everything you need to know about installation of like PHP, Nginx, and everything. For us, we want to add the Laravel side. So we're gonna go get this one and make this one like executable. But before we do that, right, we have to get the public key. IDIC.public key. Copy this public key and add it inside our GitHub. So you can go to this URL and add Operative. Okay. I will add it on another screen. So I don't need to share all those other. Okay, I'm adding it, asking me the password, so failure add. Okay, it's successfully added, so we can get go. Also, we have to add this public IP address to our DNS. Let me add. Operative testing dot with this IP added on our DNS. So we are good to go. Let's go back. // site.sh operative testing dot we're gonna use it this one. So code, you have to choose the SSH and then choose the dash library like the README described. Okay, let's go enter. This one also asks you the one to in order to set up the HTTPS, you have to add the domain name as well. So for us, we already added. So okay, we need to provide the password of the operated user. Sanskrit need to do the yes. Sanskrit need to do sudo exec. So email address, I will provide my email address. Yes, this one I don't want. Okay, it's asking the certificate requests. Okay, successfully deployed. Let's go check. Okay, now everything installed, including HTTPS setup. That is how easy it is to set up the Laravel application using Operative Bash. Yeah, in the next video, I will show you how you can use Operative Bash to set up the Express application, Node.js application. Yeah, that's all for now.